Measuring things in science is a very important skill, and we're going to learn about that using this line behind me. This is a meter stick, a true meter stick. I've blocked off all the little measurements on it. We're going to hold it up to the line and measure the number of whole units. So we can see that this line isn't even a meter long. So officially it's going to be 0 meters, and it's up to me to estimate the next digit. So I'm going to say that this is 0.8 meters. 0 is the number we know for sure, and it's up to the scientist to estimate the next digit. So I'm going to say 0.8. Now, do you know what to call it if you take a meter and slice it into 10 pieces? Well, that's a decimeter, and this is a decimeter stick. Now, if we measure the same line, do you think our result will be better or worse than the first time? So we're going to write the number of whole units that we know for sure. We know for sure that there are 8 entire decimeters here, so it's going to be 8 point. And then it's up to the scientist to estimate the next digit. I'm going to say 8.2 decimeters. You might say 8.3. Do you know what to call it if you take a decimeter and slice it into 10 pieces? Well, those are centimeters, and this is a centimeter stick. This should make our measurement even more precise, even more reliable. So now we can measure the number of whole centimeters, which is 82. But it's still up to me to estimate one place past what we know for sure, and it was almost exactly in the halfway spot between 82 and 83, so I'm going to say 82.5. And you can already tell that our results are getting much more precise. Now, one more time, do you know what to call it if you take 1 centimeter and slice it 10 times? That's a millimeter, and there are 1,000 millimeters in a meter. All of these little lines here are individual millimeters, and this is going to let our measurement get even more precise because it'll become even easier to estimate that final digit. So if we hold it up to the line, I hope that you can see that it's 820 millimeters, and it's actually 828 millimeters. And this time the line comes out directly on top of the line on the stick. So I'm going to say 828.0 millimeters. So when you measure in science, you always write the number of whole units that you have and estimate one digit past.